sure if this train is as long as I thought it was. I just think it was going so fast. I've never seen a train going that fast along there that I've never. It's I think 27 kilometers you run along the track, so that's like 16, 17 miles. And I was beside the train the whole time. Right at the very end, you come to a spot where I think the train limit is down to 15 or 25 miles an hour. That's where I started catching up, but I still couldn't catch the front of it. Oh yeah, this is a long train, because I never even saw that locomotive. Unless they added it or something. Like, comment, subscribe, and have a good one.